CPI Manipur says recent meeting between all political party and Manpac delegate team and Union Home Minister Amit Shah on CAB is centers, gimmick and pointless. Manpac will disclose outcome of consultative meeting with the Union Home Minister Amit Shah on Citizenship Amendment Bill tomorrow. And Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah says insurgency-related problems hamper Manipur's social harmony and economic development. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. CPI Manipur State Council has termed the recent meeting on Citizenship Amendment Bill held between all political party and Manpac delegate team and Union Home Minister Amit Shah in New Delhi as mere gimmick of the centre to show that stakeholders were being consulted. The party has warned that people of the state will soon boycott the BJP if it continued to work against their interest. Speaking to media at Iravat Bhavan in Imphal today, CPI Manipur State Council Secretary Laisham Sotin Kumar stated that agitations are going on against implementation of CAB even in those northeast states where inner line permit system is already being implemented. He expressed disbelief in Amit Shah's verbal assurance that the bill will not harm Manipur and other northeast states. L. Sotin Kumar mentioned that there is not even a definite assurance of adding a protective clause in the bill for Manipur. He condemned that the BJP-led state government of being totally controlled by the centre and for not calling a special assembly session to take the state's resolution against the bill. Sotin Kumar mentioned that CPI Manipur State Council submitted a memorandum demanding withdrawal of CAB to the Union Home Minister during the meeting held in the intervening night of December 3 and 4.
Political party mayam unaruba aduguna stakeholder mayam sing unaraga wari sanarubagi adumba khongchat home minister ne invite torpadu madugi arthase sukthok thokte haidana khoi communist party gi maikei lojai mayam khangbire ngarang si union cabinet na citizenship amendment bill si parliament ta puthokpagi ayaba pigre athu matamgi manungda soidana parliament ta puthora agani maduda soidana bill adu ek onanaba madugi soidana madugi tanja phangani Matang Raja Sabha da su koi soidana pass to kibi abagi akiba dum lai opposition party sing maru ina koi left ki dol sing amadi congress sing ba mayam si am kanna di thengnari.
Manipur People Against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 Manpac in a press meet informed that it will announce the outcome of the consultative meeting held on the Citizenship Amendment Bill with Home Minister Amit Shah to the public at Kwaramban Market tomorrow afternoon.
Nahan consultative meet aduda P-Kiba, Union Home Minister gi Hazaba do Kadai Papa Tabo Tome Habasing Matang di Miam Suhana Kumbiri Bani Naran Mukang Kiba, Union Cabinet ki meeting aduna Low Kiba Warepta Manipur Natana Atopa North East State Sing di Magi Oiba I'll be Sanaba State Sing Amasung 6 to Sanaba State Sing di I will see BS in a Consular have a Wakamasi Alfrabani I Kui Makata Nakari the Wudagi Habagi Kiribasi local India government gave from the two but that perform a second bar have a cement na Sinjarakanda Sigma leaders December 2019 the Bangkok Sagani.
Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah has lamented that insurgency-related problems have hampered the state's social harmony and economic development. She was speaking at the Northeast seminar on the theme Changing Security Paradigm in Northeast, Implication and Imperatives at City Convention Center in Palace Compound today. Assam Rifles and Research Center for East and Northeast Regional Studies, Kolkata, jointly organized the event. Gracing the event, Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah stated that various various insurgency-related issues occurred in Manipur since 1978, bringing unrest, violence and social disruption. She added that insurgent and extremist groups continue to threaten and attack civilians, government servants and security forces. They have been kidnapping people and carrying out band and blockade, and they have also been abusing people, NGOs and government employees. Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah stated that NSC and IM has been actively carrying out extortion and criminal activities in the state till now, and other tribal underground outfits of Kuki, Mar, Paite communities who are under suspension of Operation Su have also joined the misconduct. She hoped that the seminar will come up with measures to eliminate various issues and terrifying acts happening in the northeast states, including Manipur, and bring peace in the northeast states.
It's a matter of great satisfaction to know that the changing security scenario in Northeast is attributed to sustained and coordinated effort of the security forces on ground and the policies of the government. The security policy should now ideally transition from combating activities insurgency to combating the after effect of insurgency. I am fully confident that during the seminar, all the eminent personalities from both Army and Assam will look into these matters. Army and Assam Rifle will certainly explore the ways and means to eliminate these evils forever, to bring a peaceful and prosperous East India.
Speaking on the occasion, Assam Rifles Director Lieutenant General Sukhdeep Sangwan said that Assam Rifles have been taking necessary responsibilities for bringing overall welfare in the northeast states. He maintained that Assam Rifles aim to bring progress, peace and harmony in the northeast region of India. He also stated that all the military forces are taking necessary initiatives to bring welfare in the northeast.
As a nation, we should be very, very clear about the external dynamics which affect not only the Northeast, but the entire country as it is. Can we afford to have Northeast unstable? Can we afford to ignore the security dimensions of Northeast when there's a complexity of change management which needs to be handled in J&K? It will not take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. It will take years for J&K to stabilize. Can you afford to ignore the security dynamics of Northeast at any stage? These are the issues we are looking at the seminar today to find out for us that this is what we can do.
Agriculture Commissioner M. Joy flagged off a cycle rally from Kangla Gate, still Kaino in Bishnupur district, as a part of World Soil Day being observed on the theme Stop Soil Erosion, Save Our Future today. Green Foundation and Farmers Club Kaino, under the aegis of NABARDS, jointly organized a rally sponsored by Manipur Adventure and Mountain Bikers Association. Representatives of Manipur Adventure and Mountain Bikers Association took part in the rally. Speaking on the sidelines, Agriculture Commissioner M. Joy called upon people to contribute in conserving soil fertility in the wake of increased use of chemical fertilizers. After the rally, a public discourse on conservation of soil was held at the office of Kaino Gram Panchayat in Bishnupur district.
Participant farmer khudingmakta fertilizer si ekoi organic vermi worm asigi organic input sing asi handaki lakliba sahi asida ngasigi farmer saruk yariba khudingmakta ekoi green foundation na hek hawdagi makoi uriba lofom sing mafam sing asina hek mapung phawa phawda makoina sahi simagi darkar lei khudingmak field chatna hariba darkar lei punamak yenthokani aduga leiriba pothok sing asigi phagalakpa mong sing asi moina phajna care lobigani soil gi Lebak Leho Siki Kanaba, Paganaba Honabada, I call Kudimak, different walks of life, the Labiriba, Parza, Kudimak, Farmer, Kudimak, Aduga organization, Kudimagna, Mating Pang Bidana, World Soil Degi, Tim Masibu, Pazana, Tabak when Tokpada, Kudimak Saruyaminasi.
Krishi Vigyan Kendra Imphal West ICAR Research Complex Northeast Region Manipur Center also observed the World Soil Day on the theme Stop Soil Erosion, Save Our Future today. The event was held at ICAR Manipur Center in Lamphilpat. Speaking on the occasion, Horticulture and Soil Conservation Commissioner M. Hare Krishna assured that the Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department will have its own mobile soil testing lab to test soil fertility in a couple of days. He asserted that misuse of chemical fertilizers and insecticides by farmers is one main reason for the declining soil fertility. M. Hare Krishna stated that organic farming has become the trend in the wake of side effects of chemical fertilizers, and hence the department has promoted organic farming in the state under the aegis of MoMA, and the local organic products are being sold in the international markets. He stressed on the need for the Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department, Agriculture Department, Veterinary Department and ICAR to join in striving to enhance soil fertility in the state. ICAR Manipur State Joint Director Dr. Narendra Prakash, Principal Scientist Dr. I. Meghachandra, ICAR staff and officials took part in the event. Soil health card and yellow sticky straps were distributed to beneficiary farmers on the occasion.
Organic tawam matam da pothok handarasu income di handade aduga organic ki kana bai se conventional ki mangja bai se kaino hana khanga ga da ma tan conventional agriculture da koi na tawri se tinida hap kani fertilizer hap kani pothok hengat kani mathang da hana ki hap ki go chang du da ki na hap kani ultimately cha de miam je kana no koi miam cha do ni tinida ka pa da kana no so ise ka pi mi do so ni I share da ina request of chini bija kuji khushan nara chani manta dakale but agri ne horticulture ne I share gumba sigamba organization amaga yauri and akhoi somehow in our scheme of things veterinary is never a part of improvement of soil quality.
Human skeletal remains were found at Ngarian Hill of Kaira Wangkhem under Irilbung police station in Imphal East district yesterday. Impact News sources said that a woman from Wangkhem came across the skeletal remains at around 6 p.m. Upon being informed, Irilbung police and Manipur forensic science team rushed to the spot to investigate. The corpse is yet to be identified. Irilbung police has registered the case and the remains are kept at Jennings Morgue for investigation. District Magistrate Imphal East has imposed Section 144 under CRPC 1973 in Imphal East District. Special Judge Pokso Imphal East Maibam Manoj Kumar has convicted a man accused of raping a minor of 4-year-old by luring her with a chewing gum. The rapist is 28-year-old MD Bashir Ahmad, son of late MD Iboyai from Ketri Mayai Lekai. Bashir raped the minor when no one was around in 2014. He was arrested following a complaint lodged by the minor victim's mother at the Women Police Station, Imphal East. After necessary investigations by the investigating officer of the case, a charge sheet was filed against Bashir on April 30, 2016, and a case has been going on since then. Bashir was produced before the court for the final hearing today, where the court convicted him under Section 10 of the POCSO Act after listening to witnesses' statements and Bashir's confessions. Sentence hearing is on December 3. Residents of Taubal are complaining that water supplied by Taubal Tomjing Water Supply under Public Health Engineering Taubal Division is unclear with a strong stench of bleaching powder. The water supply scheme draws water from the Taubal River and the water is being treated at Taubal Tomjing Reservoir before supplying it to people residing at Taubal District Headquarters. People of Taubal have appeals to the authorities concerned to look into the matter at the earliest. Unknown miscreants have set ablaze the shrine of Ayang Leima Panthoibi at Lamshang Thamna Pokpi under Lamshang Police Station in Imphal West District. Impact News also said that the incident occurred in the adjoining night of December 4 and 5. Early morning workers came across the scene at around 4 this morning. Who and why the shrine was burnt down remains unknown. Local residents expressed sadness at the setting ablaze of the shrine worshipped by people of two villages. They appealed to those concerned not to repeat such misconduct again. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on yet another fire mishap at Pishum Haubam Marak this morning. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Another fire mishap consumed a house at Pishum Haubomarak this morning. Fire sparked from the explosion of an electric fuse set blazed the top floor of a house belonging to senior advocate Ibo Chauba at around 10:30 a.m. today. Manipur Fire Services rushed to the spot and tried its best to douse the fire but could not save the upper floor. Furniture and other household items worth over 5 lakh rupees were gutted down by the fire. Samagra Shiksha Manipur and Directorate of Education has jointly organized one-day training cum orientation program on school safety and security measures for teachers and students in times of natural disasters at Ramlal Paul Higher Secondary School in Kashamthong today. Speaking at the event, Imphal West Zone 1, Dennis Ilangbam said that Manipur is one of the earthquake-prone areas of the world. He said that according to experts, an earthquake with a Richter scale 8.7 might occur on the Himalaya range at any time. Dennis Ilangbam said that the program aims to enlighten on various precautionary measures against natural disasters. Manipur Fire Service personnel demonstrated mock drills using various equipments at the event.
Himalayan range sida earthquake achauba ma lakane na predict tawri masigi je 8.7 Richter scale gi maya da hani thajanari doga khoina huji tawri ji training ji akhoi earthquake se anytime thokpa ya potni na akhoi chhatrangai ji school lower da kari ma tholak taragadi kamaina haibdi chhatrangai ji guide tawraga kamaina handle tawra kamaina pubi kadagi haiba adumbagi matang da akhoi expert resource person kauraga education department na akhoi Zone 1 gi makhada leibangai da guide tawnaba tawjabani.
All Manipur students, guardians, organization AMSGO and scholars group organized one-day discussion on how to face the coming exam without any tension at Manipur Press Club today. Resource persons stressed on how students can appear the upcoming class 10 and 12 examinations to be conducted by BOSEM and COSEM respectively with ease of mind. All Manipur Students Union AMSU Imphal West District Committee kicked off a free coaching class on the theme Students are the asset of our future for class 12 students of science, arts and commerce streams at Johnstone Higher Secondary School Imphal today. Five-day second batch beneficiary empowerment training program on mulberry sericulture to develop sericulture sector in Manipur at District Sericulture Office in Lamphel today. District Sericulture Office Imphal West organized a program sponsored by Directorate of Sericulture, Government of Manipur under Northeast Region Textile Promotion Scheme NERTPS 2016-17. Commencing the program, Sericulture Director Salam Kunjakishore said that the performance of Manipur's sericulture sector is very low as compared to other national level profiles. He called for the relevant department and the beneficiaries to put efforts together to enhance the sericulture sector in the state. He appeals to the attending beneficiaries to give their heart and soul in the department's endeavor to enhance sericulture sector in Manipur.
The Ministry of Textile side performance yamna low profile the labor. Masi kramina push up the wedage habado, adom the name of Mayamda, Tanzania. Department Amasung beneficiary ani say heart to heart, Tamoisian Tinaraga, hand to hand, Saminaraga, Pulapukat Minadriata Haita. Adunga city, I not Haze, I pay 2016 17 with the Magda, now the Kalaba beneficiary GD. Sericulture family member wherever Dumba, beneficiary and Lozeraga, I quickly, Mamma so you may am do. Pull up of ma'am so the main can have a Tazabado, I may am the Tanzania.
One-day awareness program on beekeeping was held at the auditorium of Central Agricultural University, Roshamba today. Beekeeping boxes were distributed to well-trained bee farmers on the occasion. Directorate of Extension Education Imphal of Agriculture Central Agricultural University organized the event under Integrated Beekeeping Development Center, Center of Excellence project. Taking part in the event sponsored by National Bee Board New Delhi, CAU Vice Chancellor Professor M. Premjit stressed the need to carry out integrated farming to realize Prime Minister's vision to double farmers' income by 2020.
Matau karamna Manipur da labor longmishing shigi income si double and gedrunation. Yang khana seminar kya tawre masi apoi table da khana ragana tragana shurumba ngasai kama da nadrak auditorium da kaktu khana nadi yaro bai ngasai double and haragadi khana riba idea me am do thabo ko pamthok tragadi double longi income double when we are aduragadi sai matau karamna youth hauraiba nahasingbo matau karamna motivate or matau karamna agriculture and the allied effect on the kete ki haidari Jiki, masi maya su kawai, motivating and attracting youth in agriculture. Masi kanadi.
40-day pottery training program organized by Manipur Khadi and Village Industries Board Lamphel Part under the aegis of Khadi and Village Industries Commission, Government of India concluded today. Pottery machines were distributed to 80 trainees at the valedictory event held at Thongjau Community Hall in Kakching District. Hyanglam MLA Dr. Radhesham Yumnam, Chairman of Manipur Khadi and Village Industries Board, L. Radhakishore and Vice Chairman Y. Nilamani attended the event. Social Welfare Director N.G. Uttam has assured to provide disability certificates online in consultation with Jennings Authority at the earliest. He was speaking at the closing event of the 7th Winter Exhibition for Persons with Disabilities organized by Terra Ideal Club on the occasion of International Day of Persons with Disabilities. Director Uttam further assured that the Social Welfare Department will strive its best to provide all the government benefits meant for the disabled persons. He mentioned that disabled people can obtain benefits meant for them under Disabilities Act 2016 from the Social Welfare Department as well as other departments. He urged them to avail the benefits.
Handak Phongiba RP Act Haraga Khangnariba Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016 Sida Department Kudingi Moina Development Activity Lokat Pamatamda Beneficiary Oriented Lokat Pamatamda 5% Ka ona Yauribni Land Allotment Lobakan Taubakanda 5% Ka ona Yauribni Aduna Sigumbasi Atai Department Su Khangjanaba Tongan department, tongan bank, financial institute sina persons with disability the karai bau mating pang baya bage haibudo madugi message to yohanna bagi damakta langasi stall phambiri ba ichilenau jingsigi attend ba interview amamam tawbiraga madu phongbiu.
Mao Imphal Market Coordination Committee along with Lesheng Hidden Protection and Development Authority will organize a Mao market sale at the opposite of Manipur University Gate in Kanchipur tomorrow. Konzam Enterprises in Singjamay Oinam Thingel has invented a physiotherapy equipment for the first time in Manipur named Khongthang. Former Max Director Dr. Pramod, Chairman of NK Group of Finance and Sanjeet and Konzam Enterprises proprietor K. Kanta attended the launching event held today. Speaking on the occasion, proprietor K. Kanta said that the machine, which has the potential of bringing a paralyzed person to normalcy, comes at 40,000 rupees. He added that machines for treating BP stroke and paralyzed patients will also be launched in the near future.
Cerebral palsy na narba angangsing hat koi mokhong mokhut mangak puba ngamdaba angangsing sigi koi chatpa da koi exercise tawba mating oina ba koina puthokchaba machine ni idi si haji puthokjai posidi angang khaki plan tawraga sabani next di koina akoi paralyzed tawba koi stroke tawba hanjingda sijanaba yanabagi mongda koi khar chawkhatpa hanjing sijanaba yanaba koina plan tawrakhini.
Shiza Eye Care Foundation, in association with NPCB, NHM, Kanglei Group and Kangabam Lekaya Punba Chaukhat Thaurang Loop KLACTL, conducted a free eye screening camp at Sagolban Kangabam Lekai today. Around 145 people, including 5 people with cataracts, 4 with pterygium and 1 person with entropion, were checked up during the camp. Immunization drive under intensified Mission Indradhanush 2.0 was carried out for children of 3 remote villages at Manipur-Myanmar border today. The villages are Yangao Bung Village, Di Zalembung and Holenphai Village. Primary Health Center Moray and Family Welfare Department organized the immunization program for 7 days every month till March next year. Staffs of PHC, Moray and Asha workers had to travel via Myanmar roads to carry out the drive owing to the pathetic conditions of the road leading to these remote villages.
Any medical team lakpada border area si direct Burma manu phawbana tana karyamta hira langthak kappa yadre chahi chaama changadra kilometer chaama ori chaama changadra border area gi interest da bidisiro simiyeng khara changbiraga athuba matamda ajuk nungthin khangda hospital da anaba puba yana ba khara yingsin bini naba border area gi representative oin ai gi government da khara appeal tawbani.
Now the sports news. Neroka FC will meet Aizawl FC in Neroka FC's first home match of the ongoing 13 I-League season at Kumalampak Main Stadium tomorrow. Aizawl FC is all set for their second match in the league and their first away match. Neroka FC is also all set to win the match for the football enthusiasts of Manipur. Responding to Impact News queries in a press meet held at Hotel Classic Grant with the coaches of the two teams today, Neroka FC coach Gift Raikhan said that he did not leave the team for extra money after their excellent performance in the previous I-League season 2017-18. Gift Raikhan added that he once again strived with the team to get in the 13th I-League season and to make the team a renowned football club of India. He also mentioned that inappropriate timings of Manipur State League leads to decreased performance. Gift Raikhan added that Neroka FC has greatly benefited from the pre-season matches held between various clubs of Manipur and Jamshedpur FC and appeals to people to encourage Neroka FC tomorrow.
People think that I signed for another club for the money. That's not true. I stay here from the beginning. When we have foundation, we build together Neroka with success in a certain point. But I need to have some experience also in others' team. But unfortunately, you know that our Neroka FC is supposed to wind up or supposed to shut down. The moment I came to know, I really cried. I don't know. So I started moving. I started talking why we are shutting down or why you're finishing. So, and people are accepting me. I'm thankful to all the sponsors. I'm so sorry to our Neroka diehard friend. There's so many fans out there whom they are expecting a lot, but because of circumstance, we cannot give on time update. But now slowly we are coming up. And then I said, I request them to please support us continuously, and then believe us, the players and coaches, staff, all the management need their chair. Please come tomorrow and we'll have fun. And then if you really support us, and then we'll have more confidence, and then we'll enjoy this season.
On the other hand, Aizawl FC coach Stanley Rosario said that his team is even more empowered and spirited with the first league match with Mohun Bagan ending in a draw. He assured that his team will play their best in tomorrow's match, which is a crucial match for them. Responding to Impact News queries about the roles taken by the young players of Aizawl FC, coach Stanley Rosario said that they are all experienced players despite their young age, and the same first 11 players who played with Mohun Bagan will play in tomorrow's league match. On being asked by Impact News if Neroka FC will take the benefits from Aizawl FC, as Gift Raikhan was the coach of Aizawl FC during the last I-League season, Stanley Rosario responded that it will not harm his team in any manner as they have already applied new techniques.
And of course, I am happy with the performance what the boys played against Mohun Bagan. It was a draw, goalless draw, and they gave everything on the match. But every match is a different match in I-League. Every club, every team comes in a different tactics with a different philosophy, everything. And of course, Neroka, they have coach Gift Raikhan, because when he was there earlier, they finished runners-up in the I-League. It's a very experienced campaigner, and I hope they will come tomorrow strong. And moreover, they have a full squad of all the foreigners and some new signings and all. And we'll go with the same team. what we played against Mohun Bagan. Only little injury is there for 2 players, because after that we played the first leg semi-finals in the Mizoram Premier League on 3rd. So 2 players got injury. That is a little bit worrying for me. But apart from that also, I am having the squad who can fulfill that area, and we'll go tomorrow all out to get something out of this.
11 veteran footballers left Imphal today to participate in International Veterans Football Championship to be held at Phuket in Thailand from December 6 to 9, organized by Asian Track and Turf Federation ATTF. Speaking to media at Imphal International Airport today, team manager Y. Kiran said that 11 players from Manipur representing Team India will play against United Kingdom in the first match tomorrow. He added that Team India will lock horns with United States of America and host country Thailand in the second and third matches respectively. Y. Kiran said that if the team succeed in these matches, they will enter the final match of the championship to be held on December 9. He urged the authorities concerned to frame policy programs to extend financial help to veteran sportspersons of the state for participating in any championships.
Yamna lejadaba mafam iram da mastadi koi players sing asidi especially veteran khatana tana any state section khuding makta ngasi iram da Manipur si India gi manung da sports hub ne na haraga su paisa gi khudong cha da baduna koi gi lengak na su koi gi sugumba players sing Manipur gi yokhana bai da makta tongan tongan hiram trade sing da lari ba especially veteran sing gi oina players sing ji yokha da mateng pangwina ba senthok khara koi gi players sing sum chat pa matam da sen sing mateng oijana ba policy program ama simbi ba pa me na thamjaningi maram.
Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. CPI Manipur says recent meeting between all political party and Manpac delegate team and Union Home Minister Amit Shah on CAB is sent as gimmick and pointless. Manpac will disclose outcome of consultative meeting with Union Home Minister Amit Shah on Citizenship Amendment Bill tomorrow. And Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah says insurgency-related problems hamper Manipur's social harmony and economic development.